Hey everyone! Today, I'm unboxing something super creative and exciting, the Brown Box Leap Pen Art Kit. Let's dive right in and see what's inside this beautiful Leap Pen Art Kit. First, we have this round MDF sheet. This acts as the base for your Leap Pen artwork. It's strong and smooth with holes to attach tassels to it. Next is this big mirror. This will go right at the center of your artwork. Remove the protective sheet from the mirror. Now look at these lovely tiny mirrors. They come in round and decorative shapes and various colors. Here's the molded clay, a key component. You'll use this to create all those intricate designs and motifs. The kit comes with 2 paint bottles, white and golden. You also get a fine paint brush, ideal for detailing and painting over the clay designs. Next is a bottle of craft glue. This is used to stick the mirrors and clay securely to the MDF base. And finally, look at these vibrant tassels. You can hang them at the bottom of the MDF to give your artwork a fun, decorative, and festive finish. So here's everything you get in the Brown Box Leap Pen Art Kit, a complete set of high-quality materials that make it super easy to create your own traditional wall decor. You can hang this on a living room wall, above a console table, or even in an entryway. Thank you.